let's go ahead and talk about the opposite of expanding. Now remember what I said about expanding. It's grabbing a parentheses, grabbing a set of numbers, and multiplying them by themselves so there's no parentheses, no exponents, no exponents that can be expanded even more. And so expansion is grabbing something small and making it larger, right? Well, today we're talking about the magic F word here, which is called factoring, okay? And factoring is very simple. It's just having a large expression. You can call that an equation, you can call it a problem, and taking something out. Now, what do you mean by that, Mr. Miad? It means that if I see something in common, you need to find a common element is your first step when you're looking to factor something. Now, I'm sure that you guys have already seen factoring before, so I don't need to go through it all again. But let's go ahead and do some examples of factoring. For instance, imagine, guys, that I have something very large, something like this. 4x squared minus 12z cubed plus, let's say, 28, there we go, y squared, okay, and let's add one more, plus 36h cubed. There we are. And so we have this behemoth right here, this very large expression. And I don't like that very large expression. I actually think that we can take something out of it to kind of chunk it down, make the numbers a little bit smaller. So all you have to do is look at this. 4x squared, 12z cubed, 28y squared, and 36h cubed. And ask yourself, is there anything that I can take out of all of this? Is there any number or letter that is common to all of those? That's what you call a common element. And I can tell every single one of these numbers, 4, 12, 28, and 36 are even numbers. So I actually know all numbers here are even. That means that I can take something out of all of these numbers because they're all even numbers. And you guys know that that something is the number 2. So see if you can divide everything by 2.